In this lesson, we evaluate the integral of the square root of tangent of x, step by step, with no step skipped. Step 1. Set up the integral. We want the indefinite integral of the square root of tangent of x with respect to x. Step 2. Use the substitution u squared equals tan of x. Differentiate both sides. 2u times 2 by dx equals secant squared of x. But secant squared is 1 plus tangent squared. Since tangent is u squared, secant squared becomes 1 plus u to the fourth. Solve for dx to get 2u over 1 plus u to the fourth times du. Now substitute into the integral. The integral becomes the integral of 2u squared over 1 plus u to the fourth du. Step 3. Decompose the rational function. Write 2u squared as the sum u squared plus 1 plus u squared minus 1. Then split into two integrals, I1 and I2. Step 4. Evaluate I1. Divide numerator and denominator by u squared. Notice the numerator equals dv if we set v equal to u minus 1 over u. Then dv equals 1 plus 1 over u squared du. Also, u squared plus 1 over u squared equals v squared plus 2. So I1 equals the integral of dv over v squared plus 2, which is 1 over square root 2 times arctangent of v over square root 2 plus a constant. Back substitute v to get the expression in u. Step 5. Evaluate I2. Again divide numerator and denominator by u squared. Let w equal u plus 1 over u. So dw equals 1 minus 1 over u squared du. Then u squared plus 1 over u squared equals w squared minus 2. So I2 equals the integral of dw over w squared minus 2, which equals 1 over 2 square root 2 times the natural log of the absolute value of west minus square root 2 over west plus square root 2 plus a constant. Back substitute to write I2 in terms of u. Step 6. Combine the results. I equals I1 plus I2. Step 7. Substitute back to x. Recall u squared equals tan of x, so u equals the square root of tan of x. Replace u to obtain the final antiderivative. And that completes the problem, with every step shown and justified. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple, one video at a time, only on Myverse Maths.